Hello, everyone. We have done a specific project for one of the leading pallet manufacturers in India, and they wanted to automatically detect using CCTV footages whether the pallets that they have, whether the pallets that they are transporting into their inventory is damaged completely, or can it be repaired, or is it good, right? So it's a multi-class classification problem. We have used deep learning models and we have accomplished this particular project. And we have deployed it on AWS cloud. However, for our demonstration here, we are showcasing this on local machine, and we are not going to plug the data from CCTV. Instead, we are just going to upload a few images to demonstrate this particular use case. Thank you so much. And can we please demonstrate? So we have to authenticate to the database by providing the username and password. And I think we have used MySQL database. We'll also provide the database name. And post that, we will browse files. We can also upload multiple images at one go. So we are going to upload multiple images. And the moment we upload those, behind the scenes, our deep learning algorithm will trigger and it will show whether a specific image is good or should it be dismantled or can it be repaired, right? These things is what people come to know. And this information should also be stored in the backend database, because in the initial days, when you deploy the solution, people also might want to manually do the process, their as-is process they want to follow. And then they want to compare the result with the predictions which AI solution is given. As in how they gain more confidence, they will reduce the frequency of such audits on whether the tool AI solution is in line with the actual summit. Thank you so much, and hopefully this has helped you.